can kiss me on a Monday, a Monday, a Monday is very, very good. Or you can kiss me on a Tuesday, a Tuesday, a Tuesday. In fact, I wish you would. Or you can kiss me on a Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, and Saturday is best. But never ever on a Sunday, a Sunday, a Sunday, 'cause that's my day of rest.
This is the conference room po, sir. Kiss me on a gray day, a May day, a payday, and see if I refuse. Na-clean na rin po yung mga windows, sir. Repainted and tinted the glass doors. To storage, extra storage area, sir, medyo may kalat lang po. This is the general office. Windows are also clean. And sir, yung future expansion ulit na room.